It's called a banjo. And I'm kind of newer to the banjo than like on the guitar, but it's a lot of fun to play. In fact, when I first got it, I couldn't put it down. I was just playing it all the time, right, Henny? Just constant. I know, just rolled her eyes all the time. I play it when I'm laying in bed, trying to sleep. Whenever I pull out the banjo, the cat runs and hides. It's kind of the same thing it does with the vacuum cleaner. That's all about. But anyway, I play it constantly. I can't put it down. I play it when I'm sitting in the living room trying to have dinner, watching TV. You hear that okay? Alright, you're good, you're good. Thumbs up means good. I play it when I'm, you know, sitting in the yard. I even play it when I have to go, well, you know, I have to tell you where that is, but I think people are kind of getting worried about me with the banjo. I think they're concerned with how much I play it all the time. The other day, my wife came up to me and she said, "Darling, you are a wonderful man, but we are deeply concerned about this banjo thing." And I said, "Why, all aboard!"